probably another SVR for... Yep, SVR for Hampton.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Marlow, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hilton Head Island, Puller, Bluffton, Beaufort, Port Royal, Ridgeland, Springfield, Yamasee, Savannah International Airport, Godley Station, Clarendon, Jasper, Rincon, Garden City, and Fort Wentworth. This warning includes Interstate 16 between mile markers 148 and 155. Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 2 and 41. Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 103 and 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.
Okay, what was that?